avant-garde look transforms astronaut inspiration into a striking vision of futuristic fashion. The metallic silver ensemble mimics a high-tech space suit, amplified with exaggerated spiked shoulders and sculptural elements that resemble protective cosmic armor. Intricate tubing, orb-like details, and layered harness suggest life support system and zero gravity adaptability, while the reflective visor adds a mysterious, otherworldly edge. The structured yet dynamic silhouette conveys power and resilience, like a space explorer ready to conquer unknown galaxies, merging innovations, fantasy, and bold couture. Designer, Mr. Mervin Samson Gamboa.
Shoulders are sharp, extended shoulder details that create a warrior silhouette and high fashion drama. Mesh armor top, blue netted fabric gives underwater or futuristic vibes while showing movement and texture. Asymmetrical vest, one-sided black and silver panel adds edge, contrast, and uniqueness. Decorated denim bottom. Upcycled denim with studs, crystals, and layered panels mixes casual wear with couture craftsmanship. Color palette, navy blue, silver, black, and icy denim tones, which represents strength, technology, and ocean depth.
Sana to?
Designer, New Line Masterpiece by Ron Rentuso. Once again, Fort Amelia, Al-Fayha, Riyadh. Nato Sumanga is the 16th century powerful maritime warrior elite. The avant-garde method emphasized creativity, influenced identity, and its effect on contemporary elegance embodies individuality and innovation that defies limits. The suit transforms the body's essential form, providing new identity of the outfit's structure. The headdress is decorated floral with crystal gems or illusions lighting to illustrate the boat used for deep sea exploration to collect natural pearls. The hat represents human protection from the hotness beneath the sun. The design expresses emotions and artistic concepts using textiles and crystal
Ganda yung
gems.
design.
The outcome creates a visual story that connects artistic ideas with the human experience of
Ikot.
from day to night while fishing and collecting South Sea pearls from the Philippine waters. The working concepts are collective ideas of Mr. Al-Bawadi Geo Sandoval, have impacted on artistic fields that embody an experimental, boundary challenging spirit spirit of his movement when he tossed the boat hat upside down as a symbol of modern harvest of pearls, typically discovered at deep sea depths, transforming them into a captivating, resourceful experience. This collaboration of Mr. Almawadi Chilosandol and the designer in making exaggerated forms and unusual materials in the design conveys strong messages that go beyond spoken words, emphasizes sustainability, career and reusability by converting discarded materials into new creations that blends artistic vision with environmental awareness. Designed by Marwan Exclusivo. Once again, Jayo Sundawan, Arbawani Jaga. John steps onto the stage, embodying gold avant-garde, vision brought to life through upcycled artistry and theatrical precision. The suit, sharply tailored in crisp white, is entirely adorned with an all-over poker card print, an intricate collage of reimagined materials that transforms familiar symbols into high-fashion storytelling. Each panel feels deliberate, merging structure with playful unpredictability. Draped over the ensemble is a dramatic black hooded cape attached at the shoulders, crafted from upcycled fabric. Its silhouette is both protective and commanding, cascading forward behind it with a hand-stitched, oversized polka collar. The edges are lined with voluminous black tulle, piping, adding a sense of movement and soft contrast against the sharp tailoring beneath. The scenery is emphasized by
Sugat?
a black doll that is that
Galit na galit. Ano kaya may kinang-kinag.
The trouser mirror the suit's identity, white, with the same golden moldings, using the short language from top to bottom. Crowning the look is an elaborate black and white Broadway-inspired hat, an art piece in itself. It is adorned with upcycled sweeping ostrich feathers that extend upward and outward, interwoven with delicate poker card prints, echoing the theme while amplifying the drama. Altogether, this avant-garde upcycled creation is more than a garment. It is an imaginative vision, realized in motion. It uses sustainability with high-concept design, transforming discarded elements into a powerful expression of identity, artistry, and reinvention. Once again, Johnner Daniega, Mishripa Jeddah. Aluso. Edward emerges with a quiet, regal presence, a fruit avant-garde design, and upcycled passage.
Ano naman to, balon?
The loose centers of the sea rise adorned with delicate hard prints that feel both playful and poetic. The structure is clean, yet expressive, allowing the print to speak while maintaining a tailored silhouette. From the shoulders, a dramatic flourish of upcycled red tulle piping roots outward, soft and powder-like texture. The
Up.
traces along the shoulders and forces
Body time. Ale. Magbibigay ng bulaklak. Ah! Rito.
As he strolls down the runway, he leaves behind a message like a blueprint. Small, hard It transforms symbols of love into a wearable narrative where sustainability meets emotion and imagination is given physical form through texture, contrast, and mood. Once again, Anusa. Jerome Alimar Ashani Jeddah. The boy by the street. Once a simple boy by the street, he grew with trees, carried by flowing water.
Binata sa banyo.
Three causes oceans.
Binata sa banyo.
To build a future. This avant-garde garment is crafted from old towels, blankets, curtains, and table napkins, layered in earthy notes of sand, clay, moss, and river still.
Ano naman to?
Soft grounds, muted greens, and washed blues echo the calm rhythm of the stream, creating a sense of quiet serenity. The textures are warm, yet comforting, like nature itself, imperfect but alive. Birds rest on its shoulders, symbols of freedom and distant dreams, while small insects trace the garment, representing resilience and unseen labor. Though far away, he finds the stream within him, and in every turn, he becomes the boy again, free, grounded, and whole. Binata sa Batis is a story of sacrifice, strength, and serenity, where struggle is softened by nature, and survival becomes art. Once again, Jerome Alimar, Ashani Jeddah, Binata sa Batis. Jervis Adana, Taif. Cerveza Negra. An avocado and seduction. A bold vision of dark alliance and raw rebellion. This creation draws from the depth, bitterness, and richness of black liquor, where every needle lingers like a slow burning sip. Shades drip like aged notes, textures echo the foam of mystery, and the silhouette commands like a midnight ritual. Not just worn, but consumed. Cerveza Negra.
Ay, soplado. Hi! Hello!
Jervis Adana, Taif. Cerveza Negra. Jefferson Avalon. Jubail. Made in Hype is an avant-garde upcycle design transformation. Inspired by the delicate veins of wings butterfly, the garment reflects the hidden structures that give strength and depth. The dramatic movement has sleeves represent rising beyond limitation. Well-structured poems, fluid layers, expressing the balance between power and will. Created from recycled materials, this piece transforms discarded fabric into a powerful visual statement, proving that beauty can emerge from what is often overlooked. Vein in height represents the journey of rising, where strength, sustainability, and creativity come together to reach new heights. Designed by Raul Francisco and Jeffrey Mettigorini. Once again, Jefferson Abalan Jubail.
Ala, talo dito sa kabila. Talo. Ala, talo.
So congratulations, and of course gusto kong pasalamatan